Though you sure can't tell as you zip past this sign on northbound Mopac, just north of Breaker up by the Domain. The sign is part of a motorcycle safety awareness program administered by the Texas Department of Transportation. Signs can be erected where motorcyclists are killed in crashes. Alexander Davesley of Austin, age 29, was killed last August near this spot. Family members paid the $350 fee to have the sign in his memory erected. It'll stay there for 1 year. It's curious that an official state sign has a cross on it. I thought perhaps that meant he was a Christian. His mother told me he was, but that's not the reason the cross is on the sign. The cross is on this sign because state law requires a cross on these signs, regardless of the religion of anybody involved. State Rep Larry Phillips of Sherman, a Republican, sponsored this law back in 2011. He said the whole idea came to him from a group called Texas Abate, a motorcycle rights organization with folks in his district. Phillips said there was no religious intent behind putting the cross in the bill. He said Texas Abate told him that the Red Cross, this type of Red Cross, is something they'd adopted to memorialize people killed in motorcycle wrecks. Indeed, David Dobbins, state coordinator for Texas Abate, told me there is no religious intent behind the cross. Seems hard to believe one can see a cross without it having some religious connotation. A Wisconsin-based group called the Freedom from Religion Foundation felt that way and complained in 2013 to the Texas Department of Transportation. The group wanted a moratorium on the signs and the removal of the cross. No can do, TxDOT told the foundation, and the agency said that in this case the Red Cross is not a religious symbol, but a non-sectarian symbol of death. Representative Phillips tells me he sees the potential problem in cases involving motorcycle deaths of folks who are not Christians. It's quite possible their loved ones would not want this cross on the sign memorializing their life, even if it is recognized by a motorcycle group as something other than religious. For most folks, the cross indeed has religious connotation.